That is some serious hard water. That flange is really low. Wow. Yeah, this flange is way too low. And that's a good inch below the tile here. So I'm gonna use this. It's only code approved. All right, low key, this is pissing me off. This is how you do it right here. Because I couldn't get these spacers to stay in place when I put this on. So you gotta drill the holes, which I did, but then fit it in like that. And then just make sure these are lined up. All right. Should be fine. Not the extra thick without those horns. Those horns are no good. The instructions for this say do not use the wax with one of the horns. So for all those out there that use the waxes with horns, garbage, if you ask me. Shimmed it up front. I can't get any shims in the back here, so that should be good. Yeah, I'll just chop those. Little caulk job. Had to go thick right here because the tile's kind of messed up right there. And lastly, Nipex bolt cutters. Love these things, man. Instead of getting the Sawzall or the multi-tool, you just do this. And you can cut it right there too. Boom. It's a nice toilet. It's a Delta. It's really nice.